In this video we want to speak about water gutter systems. A gutter system is made up of various parts, and every piece is crucial to it working properly. Gutter connectors join gutter sections together, like gutter to the corner, with options that fit traditional and contemporary style gutters. The downspout is the piece that is attached to the side of the home and channels runoff to the ground, away from your home. You'll need drop outlets to connect the gutters to the downspouts. Gutter hangers and gutter brackets allow gutters to attach to a house's eaves, offering support and strength to the front edge. Gutter endcaps close off the ends of gutters, keeping debris and water from flowing out at this point. Other pieces include elbows, gutter extensions and gutter flashing. Galvanized gutters are strong and lightweight, come in a variety of colors, and are formed and cut to length at your home by a professional installer. Most seamless gutters are open troughs that can easily collect leaves, twigs, and other debris, impeding the flow of water, causing leaks, sagging, and damage to your home's structure. To avoid these problems, many homeowners purchase screens, filters, and hoods to cover open gutters. Rain gutter: there are two basic types, and they are referred to by the shape of their cross-section. Half-round types of gutters. Half-round gutters are exactly what the name suggests, half-round tubes. Half-round gutters often are found on older, historic homes. 1. Half-round gutters, shaped like a tube cut in half, carry water very effectively. Their open, trough-like shape makes them prone to leaf and debris clogs, the reason many homeowners choose to install leaf guards. Plus, their curved sides mean they don't sit flush against the fascia boards, so generally, brackets are required to keep them in place. While half-round gutters aren't particularly decorative. K-style rain gutters. K-style gutters have flat bottoms and backs, and the front side of the gutter usually has a decorative shape, such as a curve or ogee, that mimics ground molding. Many styles are available. This is the most common type for homes built within the past 50 years, though many owners of older homes still install them today. Thanks to the flat back of the K-style gutter, you can nail it directly to the fascia board, no brackets required. But what really makes K-style gutters so popular is the typically decorative front side, which generally resembles ground molding. Thanks to their flat bottoms and straight, outwardly angled sides, K-style gutters usually can carry more water than half-round gutters, so they're especially suited to rainy climates. On the downside, K-design gutters are a little harder to clean than half-round gutters, as the inner angles collect rotting debris. Gutter downspout. Gutter systems have a slight downward pitch toward the corners of the home, encouraging rainwater or snowmelt to flow downhill through the gutters and into the downspouts. A downspout is a pipe that runs vertically along the side of the home. It is connected at the top to a hole in the gutter channel. The other end bends outward and usually sits several inches above the ground. This allows the water to flow away from the home as it exits the pipe. Galvanium downspouts are made with steel that is coated with a material that is 55% aluminum and 45% zinc. This coating is applied to the steel sheet by a continuous hot dipping process. The result is a strong product that is both durable against physical damage and resistant to rust and corrosion. The coating shields steel from moisture and contaminants while providing protection from scratches and cut edges. Galvalium downspouts are best paired with galvalium gutters to give your home or building's gutter system a uniform look. Gutter offsets. Offsets are used to curve the downspout around obstructions and obstacles. Various lengths distances available custom made to your dimensions. It can be used to get a downspout over a brick ledge, pipe, or other protrusion. The size of the offset is determined from a measurement of the wall to the edge of the protrusion. Gutter elbows. Elbows are made from your conductor pipe in aluminum, steel or copper, and there's never damage to the protective coating. Smaller model machines can be used at the job site as well as in the shop. Elbows can be formed from pipe lengths as short as 7.5, which are usually thrown away as scrap. The Grover elbow machine is very practical to make one-piece custom offsets. Gutter guards. If you have trouble keeping small leaves and other debris from clogging your gutters, consider installing solid gutter guards. Solid guards, which cover all of the gutter except for a narrow crack to let the water through, do work well. The lip on the guards relies on surface tension to draw the water down into the gutter, while the solid covering deflects leaves and other debris that would otherwise drop in. The guards work on every type of gutter, except plastic C-shapes. Since the guards fit over the gutter rather than inside, they'll cover most standard size gutters. A gutter shield protects more than just your gutters. By preventing clogs and ice dams, it also prevents damage to your roof, walls, siding, foundation, and landscaping. Surface tension gutter covers. This type of easy-on gutter guard works only if the guard is installed at an angle that's similar to the slope of the roof. This isn't always possible on long gutter runs because the gutters need to be pitched so the water flows to the downspouts, which means one end will need to be hung high. If you install surface tension guards on gutters that are mounted high on the fascia, they will cause debris dams and allow more junk inside the gutter. Surface tension gutter guards are more visible than other styles, and water can shoot over them in heavy downpours. However, if they are installed correctly, the amount of debris that enters the gutter is usually small enough to be washed away, and the solid surface of the guards can be cleaned with just an occasional spraying with a garden hose. Perforated metal. Perforated metal guards fit under roof shingles and cover the gutter. This type of cover can keep out leaves, button needles, pots, and seeds. As more debris becomes stuck in the perforations, water is increasingly likely to overflow. Endcaps gutter. A gutter end cap is the fitting that attaches to and closes off the end of the gutter. We have pre-finished aluminum end caps for both K-style and for half-round gutter profiles in a number of colors. end caps should be sealed from the inside of the gutter with a gutter sealant. Soffits and fascia. The fascia board is the one mounted at the point where the roof meets the outer walls of the house and is often called the roof line. However, most people refer to it by the name of the main board that carries the gutter, the fascia or fascias. Soffits and fascia are trim, flashing, or covers for the eaves section of your roof. They protect the roof and walls from moisture and animals. Gutters, fascia, and drip edges work together to deflect water from your roof to the ground without damaging the roof or walls of your home. Rain gutters, which run along the base of the roof, do more than keep downpours from drenching people as they come and go. By channeling water out and away from your home's foundation, rain gutters reduce the risks of a flooded basement or damaged siding and minimize erosion and harm to your landscaping. What's more, folks hoping to conserve water can direct runoff from gutters into a rain barrel to serve as a reservoir for the garden. Although rain gutters are simple structures, they come in a variety of configurations and are typically manufactured from 5 different materials. So whether it's time to replace old and rusted gutters or you're installing them for the first time, here's what you need to know to make the best choice. We are specialized manufacturers: Downspout machine, Downspout roll forming machine, water gutter metal sheet forming machine, automatic round water downpipe machine or water downspout roll forming machine are used to provide the water system for buildings. Gutter downspouts are vertical pipes that are used to divert rainwater away from a building's foundation. Lotos is one of professional rain gutter roll forming machine factory in Wuxi, China. We can supply different kinds of roll forming machines for different types of rain gutter and a different size of half-round gutters also. If you have your self-design, our engineer gives you a good suggestion.